Verse 9. Because if you acknowledge and confess with your lips that Jesus is Lord, and in your heart believe.
So many were left where? Confession of the lips. But with the lips, with the heart, no agreement, no relationship. The hearts are not yet open to God. Let's go.
Because if you acknowledge.
How many times would you say, you fail to listen to me because you don't believe? As long as you don't have faith. Okay. You of little faith. You who don't believe. You don't even have God's message in your heart. And then what did he say? In John 8. You depend, but refuse a relationship, a delight. You are reading Bible. You have faith in the scriptures. But you don't have a relationship with God. Let's go. If you have a relationship with God, God will openly testify. He will openly testify that this person has a relationship with God. I get disturbed. We are I get disturbed. Are we trying to fool God or what? Have we turned the gospel into noise more than involving the heart? Are we entertaining people or are we pleasing God? You get it? A person who has a relationship with God, they never depend on their lips. They know what in course Jesus. Mina, ngiyazibona lezimpi, but mina ngithi inhliziyo yami nginike wena. Bona ukuthi wenzani la. Bona ukuthi lesimo sishintsha njani. You get it? Let's go.
Because if you acknowledge and confess with your lips.
And confess, you acknowledge, meaning you heard the preachings, wa acknowledge, wa confess ngani? Sicela bazosindiswa namuhla. We acknowledge. Ngani? Mara na uphuma ubuyele ekhaya. You are the same person. Ibangwa yini? Inhliziyo. Uvumile ngomlomo mara na ubuyele ekhaya, you are the same person. Awuka change. Okay, qhubeka.
Because if
you can't encounter God heart to heart and not change. The moment you give God your heart, you change. You become a new person. Let's go.
Because if you acknowledge and confess with your lips that Jesus is Lord, and in your heart believe.
In your heart believe. Le into shuthi ayidependi kuwe. Umlomo ngawucontrola, but lenhliziyo le ukuthi ikholwa akusilula for abantu abaningi. Akusilula. Kunzima ukuthi umuntu avule inhliziyo. Let's go.
And in your heart believe, adhere to, trust in, and rely on the truth.
And rely on the truth. Rely on the truth, because in your heart you believe. So if I rely in the truth with my heart, who can come with a different spirit? Huh? Akekho. It means inhliziyo yami ibelonga somewhere. Ubani ongangithatha? Bakuthatha ngoba hawa ubelonga noma kokuphi. Ubani ongangithatha? Yeah? If you are married to someone and inhliziyo yakhe ibelonga kuwe, uyothatha ubani? Bamthatha ngoba from the beginning they will never be yours. They were never yours. Meaning they never belonged to you, they never delighted. Bekune room for abanye bonkulunkulu. Let's go.
And in your heart believe, adhere to, trust in and rely on the truth.
And rely on the truth.
uncike eqinisweni
Yabona manje, not on your lips.
hayi kuphela
On the
nje
truth.
kodwa neqiniso
Uh-huh.
And rely on the truth that God raised him from the dead.
Uh-huh.
You will be saved.
You will be saved.
uzosindiswa
Mawudlule la. Mawudlule? Hayi ngoba ukhulumile ngomlomo kuphela, but if your heart also
kodwa uma ngabe nenhliziyo
is
yakho
involved and you rely on the truth,
ifakiwe futhi
you
uncike
will
eqinisweni,
be saved.
uzosindiswa.
John 8, you shall know the
Johannes
truth,
shakalo.
and the truth will set you.
uzolazi iqiniso futhi liyokukhuluma.
You can have faith and not know the truth.
ngaba nokholo kodwa ungabi lazi iqiniso.
Yashaya, ne? Let's go. Continue.
Verse 10. For with the heart a person believes. For with the heart a person believes, adheres to, trusts in, and relies on Christ, and so is justified, declared righteous, acceptable to God.
Relationship.
Udlelwaneke lo.
The heart.
Inhliziyo.
God begins to accept you.
uNkulunkulu uqala kwamukele.
You become acceptable
Ubese uyamukeleka
to God.
kuNkulunkulu.
Faith pleases God.
Ukholo
But it
lamthokozisa.
doesn't mean you are accepted.
Kodwa kusho ukuthi
The
sewamukele.
moment the heart is involved,
Baqala ke kwafaka inhliziyo.
acceptable.
Usuyamukeleka.
Asese engagement manje umshado.
Hey,
Engagement ngisakulindi
mawusathenjiswa usalindile.
ukuthi ngabe inhliziyo yakho vele ifuna mina. Meaning during engagement inhliziyo yakho ingaya somewhere. Now God comes
Uyeza kuNkulunkulu.
leading the Israelites out of Egypt.
Ekhipha abakwa-Israyeli
It
ekhipha.
says he took them through a long route
Itho bahambisa indlela ende
to find out what is in their hearts.
ukuze nje athole obekusenhlizweni zabo.
He permitted them to hunger
Wabavumela ukuba balame
in order to teach them
ukuze
how to
abafundise
live by every way,
ukuthi kuphilwa kanjani ngalo lonke
depending on Christ.
uncike nje kuKristu.
Wabahambisa ibanga elide 40 years.
Iminyaka
Aseshe
engamashumi
inhliziyo.
amane.
Marumlomo waphuma eGibhithe wathi Moses zwile
Ya.
ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthi usikhiphe. Siyalandela Moses. And God began to search the heart.
Waqala kuNkulunkulu wahlola inhliziyo
Wathola
zabo.
ukuthi sesenabo uNkulunkulu baseGibhithe.
Ya.
Wathola ukuthi baphumile eGibhithe mara iGibhithe iphila phakathi. Baphumile eGibhithe mara iGibhithe iphuma kuphila
Lisaphila
phakathi.
phakathi kwabo.
Baphumile kuBufarisi mara uFarisi usaphila kuphi?
Phila ngaphakathi kwabo.
The heart is not yet open.